welcome back. Welcome to today's video. So today I'm gonna shoot outside. I'm going out for a nature walk, and as we walk I'm gonna tell you a little bit about my newest venture that I think is good and healthy. And yeah, I'm gonna push myself and do my very best. I have my cap on, I have my mask, and I'm ready. And today I'm gonna take you along with me so that you see what I do to work on this body. Anyway, for those who are not have not subscribed, please feel free to subscribe and enjoy our videos. We are still in the beginning stages, and I'm gonna work so hard to make sure you enjoy my videos. So anyway, let's start. Wow, you guys, these trail roads are very steep. They're actually very good for exercising. I've been walking this road for a while, since I came to Nakuru. Been like 1 week, yeah, and I'm still going on. Oh, there's a motorbike coming. It's so noisy. I'll let it pass. Oh, okay. Yeah, so this is a road I use. Wow, you guys, let me show you. There's the view of Lake Nakuru. It's not very clear from here, but oh my god. I walk 30 to 40 minutes before I get to this point, and I really love it. Oh, because I just love nature. It gives me more motivation to work out. There's so many nature trails where you can just come out of the house, go out for a long walk, and enjoy it. And it's a real workout. Yeah. And before I go out of the house, I usually put on sunscreen, some moisturizer, a lot of moisturizer, some coconut oil to avoid sunburn. Because I go a very long way. Look at that view. Wow. You guys. What a perfect view. I just love coming up here. Sometimes I sit up, find a nice place to sit, and I just enjoy my quiet time. Oh my gosh, you guys, let me show you the view of Lake Nakuru. Actually, it's the whole of Lake Nakuru. You can see it from up here. So interesting. Today I came a bit later in the day, so it's a bit sunny, and there are people walking on the roads. I just hope I won't offend anyone with my camera. Not everyone likes to be seen in cameras. Sheep. Oh gosh, I hope I don't offend them. Yeah. walking and loving it. It's usually a bit of a struggle, but it has to be done. It's very important. Yeah. So the reason why I decided to share with you my nature walk today, it's not just for the fun of it. It actually took a while for me to get used to doing this. And guys, self-care is very important. I've come to learn that a lot. With time, I'll keep sharing with you some of the things that have led to me get to a point where I said, you know what, I come first. I have to take care of myself first before anyone else. Have you ever woken up and gotten a real health scare? That's when you realize, oh my God, some of these little things that people talk about really count. It's important to just take time and work on your body. Walk, jog, run, eat healthy, drink water, just the normal things. It's the little things that count. And again, one thing I've learned, guys, you are who you think you are. You know, most of the times we define ourselves from people's perceptions. You just get used to people saying, referring you to certain things, and it becomes a norm. Like me personally, there are people who joke and say, "Hey, Rispa, you'll never lose weight, Aki. This, you'll never lose weight. You're beautiful, but the weight, but it's okay. You're still beautiful." Those little things that people tell you, and you know very well, they just don't make you feel good about yourself. Well, you know, you cannot change people's perceptions. It's upon you to change who you are to what you really want to be. The reason why I keep saying you are who you want to be, guess what? I believe Mother Nature is real. Every word you speak comes to, like it comes, it becomes real in your life. If you think you're a loser, if you think you are weak, if you think you can never work out or run like other people, you know, if you think you are a failure, you are a reject, you are fat, and that's how it's going to be for the rest of your life, oh, guess what? The whole universe somehow something happens and it becomes a reality in your life. So if this is real, and I know it's real, why then don't you change your mind? Change your mindset. Look at yourself, your real self, your potential. Take a good look at yourself. I know I'm hardworking. I know I'm loving and caring. I know I'm so beautiful. I know I'm caring. I know I'm focused. I know I am at success. Everything I touch is blessed. I know I'm going far. I have a potential. I give solutions. I don't give problems, I give solutions. Believe in yourself. Talk positive things into your life. Allow yourself to grow. Be positive. Take advantage of your mistakes and learn from them. Be a better person. Make an impact in society. How do you live your life? Is it just always about you? I want a new dress. I want this big house. I want to drive this car. What about that person who works for you and all they wish for is for food in their house? Have you done something to change their lives? Do something. Make an impact, positive impact in life. But most importantly, the reason why I shared this video, put yourself first. Because if you don't take care of yourself, then what kind of energy are you putting out in the world? What kind of energy are you putting in people's lives, people who are around you? It's important. Work on yourself. I have come to focus on the little things in life that we take for granted. Even my face. I had let go of my face. I got used to breakouts. Pigmentation. Black spots. I'm working on them. Whiteheads. Take care of yourself, and I'll be sharing some of the things I do. And I know some of you will learn a lot from it. Yeah. I don't know, I'm not comfortable going that way. I think I should go back. I should go back this way. I've come to such a long distance. Please, guys, take care of yourselves. It really matters. Sorry about the noises. Are people walking? So many people walking, especially bikes. Also on this, using this road. I think most people live up in the is it mountains or hills? It's so steep, so most of them prefer using bikes to go home after work. Oh yeah, things like that. Sorry about that. So guys, I have learned to put myself first, and I have learned to reject the negative vibes that come our way. Yeah, trust in yourself, believe in yourself, put yourself first, put out positive. Imagine yourself making impact. Imagine yourself changing lives. Imagine yourself going far, taking care of your kids, bringing up kids that are confident, loving. I have a friend who keeps telling me these things, and it amazes me. She believes in her son. The son he's now in PP1, but believe me, she says he'll take her to abroad. He's an engineer, he's a footballer, he's intelligent. My boy is intelligent, he's smart. Imagine this is a mom who speaks about such a young kid. Take some time off. Take a good look at your life. Imagine yourself doing positive, great, impactful things in life. And you'll start growing. It's a step. Growth is step by step. Do not give yourself so much pressure. Today I just felt like sharing because I feel so self-fulfilled. I feel different. There's a time my partner mentioned and he said, do you know, Rispa, for 3 years you have been telling me, oh, I'll lose weight, I'm gonna change, I'll lose weight. But what have you done about it? When will you really actually do it? And I noticed I want to do it, but I'm taking very small steps. I just don't believe in myself. I would choose to be lazy. And so I decided to work out, research, find things that will actually work for me, like intermittent fasting. I really want to do intermittent fasting because I have that I don't mind fasting. It's not so hard for me. For some, it's hard. They would rather work out and go to the gym every day. But for me, fasting and making good choices on what I eat, to me works. So that is what I'm going to go by. And also taking very long walks, enjoying nature, being positive, sharing with you. That is what I love. Look at that. Look at the lake. It's actually it's raining actually. It's raining and I don't mind it. Oh, I wish you could see the lake. It's on that side. Oh, I don't know how to focus. I really wish you could see the lake. Anyway, that's all I have for today. And I know that someone somewhere is going to learn something. I know you're going to feel challenged and start working on yourself. You know. Yeah. So that is it for today. I love you all. For those who are watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe. We are only 30 and I'm loving it. I'm actually very happy for those who have chosen to join me in this journey. I'm really grateful and I hope I will be with you all the way. I'm really excited for this venture. Yeah, so that is it for today. I love you. Remember to always put God first in everything, and all other things will go according to God's will. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like. Love you all. Bye.